Good morning, students.
Morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good
Morning, ma'am.
morning. Good morning to all. So, the sum that you can see on your screen, have you finished drawing the lines? I told you yesterday after the class that you should finish off deriving the second modified matrix and then draw the vertical and horizontal lines and see whether it is coming equal to the order of the matrix. So, have you done that? Please unmute and tell me, have you done that?
Yes, ma'am.
Priyanka done, Pratiksha did. Okay. Okay. Then others?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you got 4 lines in the second modified matrix.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So since you got 4 lines in the second modified matrix, so that means we can make assignment now, right? So when we are about to make the assignment, first thing that we have to do is we have to draw the matrix in a fresh way, so that we can circle and cross the zeros, right? So after those who had finished of drawing the lines in the second modified matrix, you make the fresh matrix. Give a line, give a heading that now we can make an assignment, like that you write one line. Now we can make make an assignment, sorry. Now we can make an assignment. Now we can make an assignment. Write this line. Now we can make an assignment. Okay, then after that you draw a fresh matrix. The numbers will be same like the previous one, but you will not draw the lines. You will just write the numbers in a fresh matrix. Give the heading M1, M2, M3, M4, J1, J2, J3, J4 on the row side and put the numbers as it is by taking them from the previous matrix. Numbers will be same. Row wise 0, 0, 0, 0, 5, 0, 0, 2, 0, 1, 0, 2, 8, 0, 0, 0. Right. I hope it is written. So now what is the rule? The rule is to find out a particular row in which you are having one single zero, right? You have to find a row which is having exactly one single zero. But in this problem, there is no such row which is having one single zero, isn't it? There is no row. If it is not a row, then you can check the column also, right? You can check the column also, but even if you go column wise, you will not find a single column which is having exactly 1 0. Okay, so this is a case of an assignment problem having multiple solutions. All right, so this is a problem of assignment having multiple solutions. So now what can be done? Now what you have to do is you have to show at least 2 assignments. Okay, there is no perfect solution to this type of problem because you cannot assign a perfect job to a perfect machine, because all machines are equally efficient to perform all the jobs. This is such a case. So in these cases, what you have to do is you have to assign any zero to any job. You have to circle any zero in a particular row and cross the other columns. You have to go like that. Okay, trial and error method. But you have to show at least 2 assignment, and you will take the one which is giving you the minimum cost. Understood? Because our objective is to minimize the cost. So if you are showing an assignment, 2 assignments at least, and both are giving you different values, then you select the one with the lowest value. And if you are showing 2 assignments which is giving you exactly same value, then no problem, you can directly tell your answer. It is like that. Understood? So first make one assignment. This is an arbitrary method, so there is no hard and fast rule. Okay, you can select any 0 from any of the row. So do that. In this in the book, what they have done is, first they have assigned J1 to M4, then J2 to M2, J3 to M1, and J4 to M3. This is what has been done in the book. Okay, then the total cost arrived at was rupees 23. Okay, total cost assigned was rupees 23. Then alternative solution, in the book it has been shown. You can for giving a perfect solution, what you can do is you can just calculate in your mind at what, if you assign this one to that machine, this job to that machine, what could be the cost, and then you can show a perfect solution which has been done in the book. But even if you are doing it on an arbitrary basis and you are showing 2 different answers, not a problem. You show 2 different answers, but you select the one which is giving you the minimum cost. Are you getting my point? Please unmute and ask if there is any doubt. So first assignment in the book that has been made is J1 has been assigned to M4, but don't assign any follow the zeros. Don't follow the numbers. Then it will be a mistake. Follow the zeros, then do the assignment arbitrarily. J1 could be assigned to M4 because there is a 0 in that. J2 could not be assigned to M1 because there is no 0. There is a 5. There is number 5. Had J2 been assigned to M1, then number 5 would have been circled. That would have been wrong. Okay. You have to assign on the basis of the 0 you can see on the matrix. Understood? So J1 can be assigned to M1, M2, M3, M4. J2 can be assigned to M2 and M3 only. J3 can be assigned to M1 and M3 only. And J4 can be assigned to M2, M3, M4. So there is a permutation and combination process going on over here. So what you will do is, you will try to give the best solution possible. So just show 2 alternative solutions and then select the one which is giving you the minimum cost. Or if you can show 2 solution which is giving you the same cost, that is a better answer. But marks will not be deducted for that. Okay. So you have to show 2 solutions. Do it. If there is any doubt, you please unmute and ask. This is the solution that has been shown in the book, but if you copy, you will not be able to answer. So you understand and then you solve.
Ma'am.
Yes. Tell me. Pratiksha, your voice is cracking. Tell me again.
Zeros in one particular row.
Pratiksha, please tell me again. Your voice was completely cracking in the beginning. Tell me again. Can you
Zeros
type?
in one particular row. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Two zeros in one particular row? No, no, no. That you cannot do. One job to one machine only. If you are assigning two zeros, then that means two zeros in one particular row. Okay, that means you are assigning two machines to for doing a single job. That you cannot do. Okay, one zero at one time. You can show it in an alternate solution. The next zero you can show it in the next alternate solution, but in a one solution you cannot assign two zeros. Understood? One zero only, because that was the rule at the beginning. Only I told you that one job to one machine only, or one activity to one person only. Yes, okay, carry on. Any other doubt, anyone? If you don't want to show the exact answer in the book, you can go ahead, no problem. You show a different solution, and in that solution, if you're getting a lower cost or a higher cost, then you will, out of these two, you will select the one which is giving you the lower cost. Or even in the another solution also you're getting rupees 23, that is best than anything. Is it done? Can I move ahead with the next problem? Or if there is any doubt, please ask me before moving ahead with the next problem. Can I move ahead? Please tell me. Shall I move ahead? Please tell me. One of you unmute and tell me. Shall I move ahead with the next problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. This is problem number 4. I have named it as AP4, so assignment problem 4 to be done in the class. Okay. So this is the fourth problem. Quickly write down the question in your copy. Write down the question in your copy. Operators, operators means the jobs, and machines are the machines. Okay. So those operators has to be assigned to the machines. It is mentioned, solve the following assignment problem in order to minimize the total cost. The cost matrix given below gives the assignment cost when different operators are assigned to different machines. Okay, you may write the line later on in the class. You draw the matrix and keep it in your copy as a question. So give the heading operators. There are 5 operators. So write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are written in Roman numbers, so you will write as it is. Write Roman 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The operators are 5 in number. And in the left hand side also, machines, you write A, B, C, D, and E. 5 machines are available. 5 operators and 5 machines. The problem is a balanced assignment problem, right? The problem is a balanced assignment problem. Okay. So let us fill up the rows. I'll go row wise. The row elements are 30, 25, 33, 35, 36. The second row elements are 23, 29, 38, 23 and 26. Third row elements are 30, 27, 22, 22, 22. Fourth row elements are 25, 31, 29, 27, 32. And the last row elements are 27, 29, 30, 24 and 32. Okay. Difference in the sum from the previous sums is the numbers are a little bit heavy. Numbers are quite big. But that will not affect our steps. We'll follow the same steps. Okay. So we will go by the row side. Let us see if there is anything different in this sum, and you can solve the sum later on after the classes. Only 4 minutes are left. So let us study let us go through the sums. If there is anything different from the previous sums, then I will tell you what to do with that. Okay. So we will go with the row side. In the respective rows, we will find out the minimum element. In the first row, the minimum element is 25. So you will deduct 25 from all the elements in this row. 30 minus 25, 25 minus 25, 33 minus 25, 35 minus 25, and 36 minus 25. Similarly, we will do for all the other rows. In the second row, minimum element will be 23. Third row, it will be 22. Fourth row, it will be 25. And fifth row, it will be 24. Right? So first we will deduct the minimum element identified from each of the rows from all the other elements in those particular rows. Respectively, we will go. After doing this, next our step is to do the same operation for the column sides. But if we get at least 1 0 in all the columns, then we don't have to do the next step, because minimum element will be 0 then, and subtracting a 0 from all the other numbers doesn't make sense. So the second step will be skipped over there. So let us see, is that a case here? First column there is a 0, second column there is 0, third column also 0, fourth column, fifth column, all are having at least 0, isn't it? So there is no requirement of following the second step of doing the same operation with the columns. So we will skip this step and draw the lines directly. After drawing the lines, we will see there are 4 lines being drawn. But the order of the matrix is 5, so it is less. Hence, we have to form a modified matrix. Second modified matrix, right? After forming the second modified matrix, the rule is how to create the second modified matrix. We have to identify the smallest uncovered element from the remaining uncovered elements, and we will deduct this element from all the other uncovered elements, and at the same time you will have to add this minimum uncovered element to the elements through which the vertical and the horizontal lines have intersected. Okay, so the element which is at the point of intersection of the horizontal and vertical lines, we will have to add the minimum uncovered element to those points. After doing this, again we need to draw the lines. Then we will see that there are 5 lines being drawn. So that becomes exactly equal to the order of the matrix. Then we will make the assignment by following the rule of taking the minimum of considering a row which is having perfectly 1 0, then striking off all the other zeros in that column in which the 0 is falling. Okay, so we'll follow the same rule and then we will make the assignment. So nothing different in this sum from the other sums. So you can do it on your own. Do it today, by today. Okay. Tomorrow we will do one unbalanced assignment problem. All right. If there is any doubt, you can ask by the time I'm taking your assignment. Sorry, by the time I'm taking your attendance. There will be no class at 9:20 because you have a joint gathering, right? Is the link shared? Do you know the link in which you have to join?
Ma'am, it's given in the notice.
Notice only, no? Okay. For the faculties also it is given, I suppose, right?
For faculty, they told that they'll post the link in their groups.
Yes. Okay, so no class at 9:20, all right? So we will meet again tomorrow. I hope probably from this next week onwards, there will be no class after 1 hour because this week you will go to the college for collecting your answer script, and after that we will arrange for revision classes so that you can write the assignments properly. So you are going to have your classes with your second semester teachers. Those who taught your second semester subjects, they will take some revision classes so that you can write your assignment properly for the university examinations. Understood? So financial management, probably we're not going to have any more classes before Christmas, I suppose. After on January again, we will start with financial management. Anyhow, that subject is almost over also. So you will practice the sums which has been taught, and on January we will start again. Okay. Now please respond. Abhijit, Abhishna, Anurag, Aryan, Ashish,
Yes, ma'am.
Ashmita, Vivechna, Debrupa, Harshita,
Present, ma'am.
Ishika Chaudhary, Kajal,
Present,
Prasak, Khushi, Prizan, Mahima, Mamta, Mohit, Muskan Prasad, Muskan Gupta.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is this?
Vivechna Thapa.
Vivechna Thapa. Okay. Okay, Vivechna. Mark you present. Then Namrata,
Yes, ma'am.
Nidhi, Nitesh, Parnadeep,
Ma'am, I am
Pawan.
present.
Who is this?
Ma'am, Kashyap.
Kasa given. I have seen you. Nidhi also given. Nidhi, I think you are unable to unmute. I have also given. Okay. Pavan, Prashil, Pratiksha Chetri, Pratiksha Giri, yeah, Priyanka, Pooja,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Rahul, Rajat, Ramkrishna, Rohit Bansal, Rohit Pandey, Sagar, Selina, Shalini, Shruti, Siddhant, Saurav,
Present, ma'am.
Sobhit, Supriya, Suraj, Swayam, Tanya, Vinit. Okay. All right. So see you again tomorrow at 7 a.m. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.